Welcome to episode 3 of Mastering Jetpack Compose. Today we will explore one of the most important concepts in Compose, state. Especially we will learn how to use remember and mutable state to build interactive UIs. In Compose, the UI is driven by state. State represent a value that can change over time, such as counter, a toggle or text input. When the state changes, Compose automatically re-render the UI to reflect the new value. The process is called recomposition. Instead of updating individual views manually, Compose reveals the UI whenever the state changes, ensuring the screen always reflects the latest data. To create state in Compose, we use remember along with mutableStateOf. Remember stores a value across recomposition, while mutableStateOf makes the value observable. Together, they allow us to hold and update state in our composable.
Now let's put this into a practice by building a simple counter app.
Let's build a simple counter app to see this in action. Here we defined a variable called count initialized to 0. We wrap it with remember and mutableStateOf, which make it observable. In the UI, we display the current count and we add a button that increments it when clicked. Every time the button is pressed, the state changes, triggering recomposition. As a result, the text automatically updates with the new value. When we run this on the emulator, you will see the counter start at 0. Each time we tap the button, the number increases. We didn't write any extra code to refresh the screen. Compose handled it automatically. In this episode, we learn how state powers UI in Jetpack Compose and how to use remember and mutableStateOf to store and update values. In the next episode, we will dive deeper into state hoisting, where we learn how to manage state outside of composable for better reusability and clean architecture.